just wanna ball making plays.
Hey y'all, and welcome to today's video. In today's video, I wanted to share with you guys a sponsorship by Mint and Lily. Mint and Lily is a great shopping website that you all can head over to that is basically going to share with you guys a bunch of different jewelry products that they have over on their website. So over on their website, if you're scrolling, you'll see that they sell necklaces, rings, bracelets, earrings, birthstones, birth flowers, photo jewelry, pearl sets, bundles, and glasses, chains, and gifts for him. Now, thank you guys so much to Mint and Lily for sharing this sponsorship with me, and of course sponsoring the video in order for me to make it to share with others. The items that I picked out are here in this little box right here. So this is what it comes like, and it takes roughly about, I would say, less than a week to get, especially if you don't do special engraving. So the reason why I took mine a little longer is because of the items that I picked out. So inside of the box, you just open it up, and here's the inside of what their box looks like. It just says Mint and Lily, and then you have this little cute bag here that holds both of my items that I got. So if you open it up, in this white bag, it's a drawstring bag, and that's really cute because I can keep my items in here. Now, when you open it up, there's a box, and it says their name as well, Mint and Lily. And when you open it up, this package simply has my name on it. So you all, I can't even say those of you who know, but my mom spelled my name a very unique way, and she spelled it C''A''I''RA. The rest of my name, the Era part, is lowercase. So the reason why she did that is because she wanted to give me some type of unique name, and this is honestly a unique name. Most people do not know how to sound out my name or pronounce it, or they don't even say it the correct way. So most people with their phones, it auto corrects, and the problem is it makes it seem like my name is supposed to be spelled C''A''RA. So thank you so much to Mint and Lily for sponsoring this, and also being able to share, you know, what my name really is. My name is C'Aira. For those of you who are new here, welcome, and if you're an old subscriber, thank you and welcome back. In this cute necklace, my name is spelled C''A''RA, and the reason why she did that is because she didn't want it to be like everyone else, right? So I ended up getting this necklace that simply is just going to showcase how my name should be spelled. So you have your little clamp here, you push it back and unclamp it, and then you easily can put it on. So you can simply put it on just like this. And I love the fact that I can wear this and it has my name. I can also move it around a little bit more on the chain, and then basically pull it up a little more if I really wanted to. But it is a really cute necklace that I picked out. And not only did I choose to pick out a necklace, I chose to pick out a ring as well. And with this ring, I chose to put my kids' names. So that's another reason why it took a little bit longer. And so here is the product with my kiddos' names on it. It just says Skylar and Cameron, and this is something that I've been looking for a good while. I've been wanting a product that I can put both of their names on, so I decided to do the ring. The ring is really, really cute. I like the way that it fits, and I like the fact that I can have both of their names on my fingers and of course in a piece of jewelry. So I hope that you all have enjoyed watching this video. If you have, please be sure to give it a thumbs up to let YouTube know that you like it, but also to let me know that you like it. And of course, thank you so much to Mint and Lily for providing and sponsoring the 2 items here in this video, but also just for me to have. So if you like the specialized names, you can always head over to their website. It will be linked in my description box down below. And of course, go over and order anything that you would like, such as necklaces, rings, bracelets, earrings, things using initials and names, birthstones, birth flowers, photo jewelry, pearl sets, bundles, glasses, chains, and gifts for probably him. So see you guys in the next vlog.